It was definitely not on my bingo card that in 2025 I would be using an old school pipette filler.
Did you know that not all bacteria and fungi cause disease, especially in plants? Weighing out the reagents ingredients needed to make the fungi food. Some bacteria and fungi have properties that prevent or suppress the growth and function of others. I'm developing a method to select some of these good fungus for use against those that cause diseases in plants. The pH, how acidic or basic of the food affect the function of the microbes. So, I am pHing the fungus food.
It was definitely not on my bingo card that in 2025 I would be using an old school pipette filler to dispense liquids. That is crazy. The automated pipette fell and broke on Wednesday, so I had to go look in the chemistry lab. Hopefully, I remember how to use it. I think this you used to pull it up and then you release it from here or here. We'll see.
Great. They're broken.
Well, it didn't work, so I will have to manually put 4 ml using 1 ml each time into into all these tubes. Jesus.
My arms and wrist are so sore. Help.
Cereal dilution. 1. Take 1 milliliter of the good fungus and place it into 4 milliliters of fungus food. Tube 1 mix. 2. Take 1 milliliter from tube 1 and place in tube 2 mix. 3. I'll repeat the sequence until I reach tube 6. I'm collecting the spores of the disease-causing fungi. quality control check of the spore shape and amount.
I'm adding the disease-causing fungus to the good fungus to see if it'll prevent the growth of the disease-causing fungus.
Sealing the plates with special tape to prevent contamination, leaving them to growth for 5 days before collecting the results.
5 days later.